Oh, Jesus.
Did you get worked up?
God damn it.
That got your heart going up? Fucking yo. You're like, oh shit.
No, I was just like, who is this? Who is this? Wait, is it filming?
Yes.
Oh, cover your face, motherfucker.
You are an asshole.
You are an asshole.
Moto Noir. While he is a good-looking gentleman, he's also an absolute cunt. So unfollow him because he is a terrible human being. I thought it was funny.
It was.
Smoke? Oh, you can roll it, huh? Merry Christmas. He's got the real deal.
Mwah. Merry Christmas. Gonna head home.
Right on.
I'm gonna. You're an asshole. I will.
Give one to your family. Let them know that you're taken care of over here, that they don't have anything to worry about. That Ryan has friends to look after him. Hello. And he's got a support network behind him. And yeah.
Okay, I'll show him this video.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. It doesn't stop. Alright.
You don't do anything fun enough to warrant video. You ride like a bitch. Put that on when we go.
Yeah, I'm going to. Yeah.
Bye, Ryan.
Bye. Well, didn't have the heart to tell anyone right then and there, but I think I'm going to be moving out of Dirty Billy. It's hard. It's hard to say something like that. Financially, it just doesn't make much sense right now for me to stay there. Can barely afford it. And having taken as much time off of work as I did, well, now I'm kind of struggling to not only make ends meet, but just kind of like catch up financially and all of that. So it's just like, what am I doing? I gotta find money somewhere. All those monthly expenses that I've been monthly luxuries, I'll say. Dirty Billy has been a luxury. It's not been an expense. Trouble is that those people there are my boys. They're people I depend on and love and cherish. And that's not going to change, so they're still going to be there. But I just can't afford to stay there. And today, the financial implications have kind of hit me. And I just, I'm not making enough working at Cake. I love Cake, but I'm not making enough money to afford some of the things that I've been enjoying over the last 3 years now. And it just kind of sucks. And as you just saw, I just could not bring myself to say what was needed to be said, to let them know that I'm not going to park my bike there. And that's all it is. It's like it's a parking spot. It's a parking spot. The friendships are not going anywhere, at least I hope not. And yeah, I don't know. It's just it's a really hard decision to come to and to have to make, because those people mean so much to me. But I have to do what I have to do, unfortunately. want to just go home, watch a movie, and not think about it. But how do you not think about it? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, caramba. Ay, caramba indeed. Look at all this traffic. Jeez Louise. But yeah, like, that place was my my sanctuary from COVID. We would always gather there and chill out, gather there, talk. And those guys are better than brothers, you know. We are ridiculously close, share everything with each other, and help each other work out difficulties. But it's just like, at this point, I really can't. I can't justify the cost of parking there. Any longer. I have to find money somewhere, and you know, it's one of those things where, you know, if I have to park this on the street or whatever, I have a parking spot thanks to my girlfriend, my partner. So I'll have to take more advantage of that. And hopefully the guys over at the garage won't, you know, once I'm more financially stable, I will be back there. It's just unfortunately right now I'm not financially stable, and I'm trying to work my way back to it. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, this is the night vlog. Look at this. A little night vlog. Kind of a somber little night vlog. Ooh, that is ice? Wow, okay. It's cold, but it's not that cold. Yeah, but it just feels like you're moving out of home, like you're moving away from home. You know, like you're moving out of your parents' place almost. Oh man, it's stupid. It really is. Like, there's not a real reason for me to feel so down about it, other than it's been the place where I call home and feel comfortable. I work there every day. Instead of working from home, I go to the garage and I work out of there. And I won't have that anymore. That sucks. So, I don't know. I thought about actually speaking with my company, Cake, just to see if maybe they would split the cost of having to park there, because I work there, but there's no guarantee. But I guess it doesn't hurt to ask, you know, them to pitch in for one of my costs. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Nice. Okay. But anywho, you know, I think this vlog has gone on long enough. We'll go ahead and cut it off here. Alright guys, hope you had a good one, and I will see you on the next vlog. Later.